Learn about the controller and settings for your new Thermo Scientific TSG Series refrigerator. The TSG Series controller user interface consists of three main components: the display, capacitive touch buttons on either side of the display, and icon fields between the display and the buttons. Three capacitive buttons reside on the right and left sides of the controller. The max button in the top left position displays the highest recorded temperature since the last time it was reset. The min button in the bottom left position shows the lowest recorded temperature since it was last reset. The reset button in the middle left position clears both the minimum and maximum recorded temperatures. When the reset button is pressed, the user must confirm the action by pressing the program button in the middle right position. Press the set point button in the upper right position to view the current set point. This button also functions as the up arrow when scrolling through menus or changing parameters and settings. Use the program button in the middle right position to access controller parameters and settings. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds to change the display. When 3 dashes appear, enter the direct access mode to change settings and active functions. Refer to the operations manual for a complete guide to accessing parameters and activating or deactivating functions. The lights button in the bottom right position switches the interior lights on and off. This button also functions as the down arrow when scrolling through menus or changing parameters and settings. View the Thermo Scientific TSG Series refrigerator setpoint reset video for instructions about changing the temperature setpoint. You can also refer to the Thermo Scientific TSG installation and operation manual for additional information. Enjoy your new Thermo Scientific TSG refrigerator and visit thermofisher.com/lab refrigerators for more information.